Hello guys, welcome to Digital Nuclei. Today we will learn to create AI generated images in the easiest way possible for free. So let's get started. First download Microsoft Edge and click on Copilot icon in the left corner of the search box. It will open a chat box where you can type your prompt. I will tell you one more way of using the same at the end of this video. Here I drew an image of Lord Rama going to a temple and crowd cheering for him. I prompted that the environment should be serene and the image realistic. So here is the outcome. This one looked like the most perfect depiction. After that, I created some imaginary art involving Virat Kohli and Lord Shiva. So here is the outcome. Now let's explore a way in which you can create AI generated images without using Microsoft Edge. Just Google search image creator Bing. The Bing image creator will open up in any browser that you want, and then you can get a prompt where you can create images just like Microsoft Edge. That's all for today. For more videos on artificial intelligence and latest tech trends, subscribe to Digital Nuclei.